Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic, cost of non-conformance. Friend, this is a very important topic with respect to project management. We will see this topic in detail, and let me tell you that this topic basically pertains to quality management in project management basically. So we will see this topic with respect to quality in project management. And friend, this topic is very important with respect to exam point of view. This topic is very important. You will definitely see this topic in the exam. Either you are planning to give an exam of project management in university, or you are planning to give exam of PMP. Also, if you are a professional project manager, so again you will definitely must know that what is cost of non-conformance and what is its importance. This is very important for you. So friend, first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Cost of non-conformance. Basically, see friend, this topic pertains to quality in project management. In terms of project management, cost of non-conformance, basically this topic pertains to quality. Friend, when we talk about quality, basically we are talking about delivery of tasks which are agreed as per the requirement of customer to requirements to the customer. So friend, quality means delivery of task to customer as per the signed or agreed scope of work. If there are 5 tasks agreed with the customer and you are giving 5 tasks to customer, so that means you are meeting the requirements. If you are adding any other feature, additional features, so that this will be a gold plating which will not be allowed in the project management. This is totally allowed or totally unethical to give some additional feature just to just to be just to be happy your customer. So this is totally unallowed. So friend, cost of non-conformance means that the cost which you have to add because you are not maintaining the quality standards, you are not properly maintaining the quality, due to which you have to face the cost of non-conformance. See friend, here basically we are talking about the rework with the failures, or the ignorance from the quality, due to which you have to face failures and we have to pay for that. This is the cost which you have to pay due to that reason. This is called as cost of non-conformance. Are you getting my point which I want to say? Cost of non-conformance means the cost which you have to pay because you are not maintaining the quality standards, you are not maintaining fulfilling the requirements, you are not maintaining the quality standard. Due to that reason you have to pay for that. This that you have to rework for that. So this is called as concept of cost of non-conformance. For example, you have to build a e-commerce solution for a customer. Let's assume that you receive a requirement and you make a project plan, and you develop it, and without quality assurance, without proper QA, you deliver it to the customer. Okay, you think that you can save in that way, in this way 10 to 15 days you can save. The cost of resources would also be saved, the time would also be saved, and the customer would also be happy that he received the product for testing with 10 to 15 days earlier. So what will happen? Because the product was not properly QA, properly not tested, so you have to face lots of issues in the application, and it will be most of the chances are there that it will be rejected from the customer and it will be returned back, and then you have to do the rework again, to do the fixes, to do the rework, and again you have to give it back to the customer. So see here, the work which you have to do it again, the rework which have to done, the cost of resources will be considered as here as a cost of non-conformance. Why? Because you have not maintained the quality standards, you have not properly do the QA testing, and you have not maintained the quality standards. Due to that reason, you have to do the all rework again. So this will be considered as cost of non-conformance. The cost which you have to pay for the rework for not maintaining the quality standards, so this cost will called as cost of non-conformance. You can just remember from here, cost of non-conformance. See friend here, there's another cost which is project management called as cost of conformance. Cost of conformance means that the cost which you are paying for maintaining the standards, that is called as cost of conformance. Remember one thing. And the cost which you have to pay not maintaining the quality standards, this cost is called as cost of non-conformance. Okay, remember one thing, the cost which you are paying for maintaining the standards, quality standards, this will be called as cost of conformance, and the cost which you are paying for not maintaining the quality standard, this will be called as cost of non-conformance. So the main categories in which you can divide the cost of non-conformance are internal failure cost. Internal failure cost means that you are not maintaining the quality standards, due to which you have to face defect repairs, rework. Like I have already given you an example of rework, like you have not properly do the QA testing of the e-commerce solution and you have delivered it to the customer and then it will be returned back. You have to do the rework. Defect repair means that the function of any machine was not properly working, the device is not working properly, due to which there was an issue, there was an defect occur and the device was not working and you have to do the defect repair. This will be, all these are the example of internal failure cost, and all these defect repair cost mean that you have to do the rework, you have to do the defect repair, etc., etc. So all these are the example of defect, all these are the types of internal failure cost, and which comes under the cost of non-conformance. Why? Because you have to add the resources, you have to do the rework, etc. So all these things will add a cost of non-conformance because you are not maintaining the standards of quality. The other type is external failure cost. External failure cost means friend, like warranty cost, liabilities, loss of business goodwill. For example, let's assume that you have launched a mobile phone in the market, and you have not maintained the quality standards for the mobile phone, and there was some issue in the mobile. Once the because you have not maintained the quality standards, and it once it goes into the market, so because you have not maintained the quality standards, it will be rejected. For example, let's assume that the camera quality was not good, the camera quality or the storage quality was not good, etc. So once the mobile goes into the market, so you have to face a goodwill, business goodwill, and people lose confidence on the mobile device. Why? Because there was some issue of quality. So this is an example of external failure cost. See friend here, so cost of non-conformance means cost which you have to pay for not maintaining the quality standards, and the main categories are internal failure cost, like for your own, external failure cost, like the loss of business goodwill. Now coming towards a very simple example for that, the very simple example of the cost of non-conformance is that, for example, if you have to write a book, if you have to produce a book of PMP exam preparation, you have to book a very make a book of very simple book for PMP exam preparation, for example, let's assume, or you can say any ABC book. So what you have done, that you have not done the proofreading, you have not taken any judgment, any review from any experts, and without that reviews and without their opinion, you just launch the book to the market. So the marketers and business marketing persons were very happy that they received a book at a very early stage, and before other launch their book, you have launched the book, so there are very good chances that you can gain the market. But what will happen, because you have not maintained the quality standards, there were so many issues in the book, like spelling mistakes, or concepts are not right, or mistakes in the major mistakes in the concepts, or there was major issues, like major topics or major mistakes in the concepts of project management were there. Due to that, when people read it, that they totally reject the book. So friend, what will happen? This will happen because you have not maintained the quality standard. What was the quality standard? That you must have to proofread that book from experts, like any proper comment should be there, the content should be verified from the experts, and after proper thorough verification from experts, it should be launched into the market. So you just saved the cost from there, the time from there, and you think that you can release a book at a very early stage in the market. However, when you have not maintained the quality standards, and in the result of that, you have to face failure in the launching of a book. Why? Because there were mistakes in the book. So what will be the cost? Now you have to do the rework, you have to make correct the mistakes in the book, and after rework, or after doing the rework, you can relaunch the book. So the reworking and rework which you have to do, that is example of cost of non-conformance. So friend, that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And I have tried really my level best to explain you the concept in a very simple and easy to understand manner. Thank you. Thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Thank you.